Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. Humberline and Arena played out a 1-1 draw at Effortville as the Red Stripe Premier League began its second round today. Fancy Hugh Stewart put the visitors ahead in first half stoppage time with his second straight goal. But Corey Hilton responded for Humberline in the 66th minute to earn the home side a share of the points. Humberline ended the day with 10 men as Woolery Wolf was red carded in the 80th minute for dangerous play.
Definitely another rough game. We gave up a soft goal at the end of the first half, you know. Hence we have to be fighting hard to get back a goal. We got it back in the latter part of the game and we lost a man in a red card decision by the referee. But I think we showed some character today. We work hard. I'm disappointed that we didn't get all 3 points, but such is the game. We just have to continue, relent and try and get this thing right, you know.
We dominate first half, no problem, but domination don't always guarantee we need to have a scoreboard. And I think we missed way too many chances to come out of the game without 1 point.
Else